7 years. 7 years, Ethan told himself, I'll start next month. He had the salary, he had the knowledge. He would watch every video, read every thread. He just never started. And the worst part, he knew exactly what was happening. Every month he waited. Compounding was working, just not for him, for someone else. If that sentence hit a little too close, this video is for you. Today, we are not talking theory. No more you should invest. Today, Ethan starts and so do you. At the end of this video, you will have opened an investment account or know the exact steps to and set up for your first SIP. We are going to cover Groww versus Zerodha, which one is right for you, KYC under 10 minutes, which fund to actually pick, not 500 options, just one. How to set up an SIP even with 500. One more thing, stay till the end because I am going to show you the one mistake that kills 80% of first SIPs. The market didn't cause it, the investor did. Don't be that investor. Ethan is 29, earning 80,000 a month, zero investments. One Sunday, he meets his old friend Liam. Liam is 27, started an SIP 2 years ago. Hey Liam, you're 2 years younger than me. How are you sorted about money? I am not sorted. I just started. That's the only difference. But where do you even begin? Groww, Zerodha, mutual funds. I open one app and I want to close it immediately. Take out your phone. I will show you right now. What follows is exactly where you're going to do together. Liam walks Ethan through. We walk you through it. The only rule, don't close this video until you have done at least one step. First thing that stops most people is this question. Which app? Here's the honest answer. Both are fine. Both are SEBI regulated. Your money sits with the fund house, not the app. The app is just a door. So, which door? Groww. Choose this if you're starting for the first time. You want a clean, simple interface. You only want mutual funds and SIPs for now. Zerodha, which is like coin. Choose this if you want stocks and mutual funds on one platform. You're comfortable reading a little more. You plan to invest larger amounts over time. Zerodha charges you around 20 rupees per trade for stocks, but for SIPs on coin, they are completely free. Which one do you use? Groww, because I wanted to start, not research apps for another month. If you already have Zerodha, great. Everything I show applies to both. Just follow the coin path wherever I say grow. One direction made, three to go. The single biggest reason people never invest, they open the app, they see complete KYC, and then they close it. Let's kill the excuse right now. What do you need? PAN card, Aadhaar, your bank account number, and 10 minutes. Groww. KYC in 6 steps. Download Groww, tap Start Investing, enter your mobile number, verify with OTP, enter your PAN. Your name autofills. Aadhaar eKYC. OTP to your Aadhaar linked number. Add bank account. Link via UPI or account number. Quick face scan. Done. Account active, often within minutes. Maximum 24 to 48 hours. Zerodha. KYC in 5 steps. Go to zerodha.com. Click sign up. Mobile plus email OTP. PAN, Aadhaar, e-sign with Aadhaar OTP, bank account plus IFSC code, webcam or DigiLocker verification. Done. Account active in 1 to 3 working days. That's it? I thought I needed to visit a branch. That was old India. KYC done. That's the hardest step. The rest is just 5 minutes. Open. Now the question everyone freezes on. What do I actually invest in? There are 500 plus funds. You need one, maybe two. Here's why. In video 6, we said To beat inflation, you need at least 10 to 12% annual returns. Index funds, specifically Nifty 50 index funds, have delivered exactly that over last 20 years. Not because someone was smart, because they tracked India's top 50 companies. When India grows, you grow. So here's the beginner portfolio. Fund 1, Nifty 50 Index Fund. Start here, stay here for a year. On Groww, search Nifty 50 Index. Pick Nippon India Nifty 50 or UTI Nifty 50. On Zerodha coin, same. Fund 2, Nifty Next 50 or a flex cap fund. Add this only after you're comfortable. Do not add this on day 1. Master the habit first. Ethan finds the fund, sees 500 options, starts sweating. Filter it. Direct plan. Growth option. Nifty 50. Done. 2 words you must know before you tap anything. Direct versus regular. Direct. No commission to the middleman. Every rupee stays invested. Regular. 0.5 to 1% per year goes to distributor. Over 20 years, that's lakhs gone. Always choose direct. Growth versus dividend. Growth. Returns automatically reinvest. Your compounding works fully. Dividend. Returns paid out periodically. Breaks the compounding cycle. Always choose growth. So the full answer, Nifty 50 Index Fund, direct, growth. That's your first investment. Fund selected. Last step, the SIP itself. SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Same amount every month, automatic. You set it once, the market does the rest. On Groww, tap the fund, tap Start SIP. Enter amount. 500 is enough to begin. Choose date. Pick the 5th or 10th, right after your salary lands. Select bank. Confirm UPI autopay mandate. Done. Every month, auto-debited, auto-invested. On Zerodha coin, search fund, tap invest, select SIP, enter amount, set the date, bank mandate, confirm it. Done. First SIP processes in 2 to 3 business days. How much should I start with? Start with what doesn't hurt. 500, 1000. The habit matters more than the amount. Increase it by 10% every year. Here's what 2000 a month looks like at 12% annual return. In 20 years, 20 lakhs in return. You only put 4.8 lakhs. The extra 15.2? That's compounding. That's video 5. Ethan sets up his SIP. 1000 a month. Nifty 50. Direct. Growth. 7 years of overthinking. 20 minutes to fix it. I promised you the one mistake that kills 80% of first SIPs. Here it is. Stopping your SIP when the market falls. March 2020. Markets crashed 40%. New investors panicked. They stopped their SIPs. Some withdrew everything at the worst possible moment. That's exactly the trap. When the market falls, your SIP buys more units at the same price. The fall is in danger. Your reaction to the fall is. The investors who kept their SIPs running through March 2020, by December 2021, their portfolio was up over 100%. The ones who stopped, they missed the entire recovery. They got the crash without the comeback. Write it somewhere. Stick it on your laptop, wallpaper on your phone, wherever it takes. SIP rule number 1. Don't stop. In video 1, we said it is not about how much you earn. It is about how you handle it. Ethan always had money. He always had the knowledge. What he didn't was the start. Your action steps right now before you close this video. Download Groww or Zerodha coin. Complete KYC. 10 minutes, you have everything you need. Search Nifty 50 Index, Direct, Growth, Start SIP, even 500 today. Don't stop it. I am linking account opening videos of both the platforms in the comment. Comment below what amount did you start with. Even 500 counts. I'll reply to every comment this week. And if this series is helping you, please subscribe. Because video 9 is about taxes. Specifically how to legally save up around 46,000 in taxes every year just by choosing the right type of investment. That's real money the government would have taken from you. We are keeping it. Until then, invest in yourself. Comment if it hits different. Hit the like button, share it with someone who needs a money reset, subscribe for new video and see you next time.